Hey there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. A bit of a rainy day here, early November, up in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. We are at our Wolverine renovation here. Been a while since we've made a visit here. You can see we've really transformed the front of the house, looking at a big wraparound deck across the front, and where you see those bags and the plastic and behind that tent there, that's going to be the new carport. Recycling station set up behind. We are about a month away from getting the rest of the guardrails in place, and there's some internal works going on that we'll have a look at a little bit later, but just wanted to give you a quick update on this transformational project as we add some really great outdoor living space to the front of this classic Whistler home. And if you want to get some updates on this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.